Recording.
Well, good morning, everybody. It's March 3rd or 5th. Brenda's birthday today. Wish her happy birthday. Heading off to work, I just wanted to take a little bit of time and just talk about the choices. We all got choices. We all make choices. We make some good choices. We make some bad choices. I wanted to just let you know that I put these videos on not because I'm trying to be famous or anything like that. I just want to share our experiences and our trips and things and show you that there are choices that you can make to make your life a little bit better or enjoy life. We've been kind of fortunate that we've been able to travel across the countryside quite a bit around Ohio. We're not the richest people in the world, but we're not the poorest people in the world either. We just got back from Georgia visiting our grandkids down there, and son and that. They were in Italy the week before, so there's always somebody a little bit better or somebody a little worse than what you are. It's all about choices that you make in life. Just like these videos, you choose to watch them or you don't choose to watch them. Hopefully you choose to watch them and then enjoy them. The main reason why we do it is to show you how much fun it is to be out riding on your motorcycle. We were down in Georgia, like I said, last weekend and had the opportunity to ride a couple times, but I made the choice that I'm going to spend time with the grandkids, so that's what we did. There will be more time for us to go riding and that later on, hopefully. I should say God willing. We all don't know when our end date's coming, so you have to enjoy life each day as it comes. We all know people that passed away too soon or too young. Really, what choices that you want to make? Do you want to ride all the time? Do you have other things that you do? I personally love riding, and I love to go as much as I can. But like I said, I did make the choice last weekend not to ride. I put a little rise in there for my son. I just didn't want to ride in India. No, I'm just kidding. I really wanted to enjoy the nice weather down there and come back to Ohio. Today's supposed to be 70-some degrees. So get out to do a little ride today. Enjoy the scenery. A little bit different countryside. Hopefully you guys will make the right choice and do what's right for you guys. I want to take this time to tell all of you that have subscribed and that. Thank you very much. We appreciate it. We get a lot more comments. A lot more people like the shorts that we've been putting on. Like I said, we appreciate your choices you make to watch and make the comments of our videos. Like I said, I ain't nobody special. I always like to say, a country boy just loves to ride his motorcycle. Kind of hard down there last weekend. Daytona bike week started, and as soon as we got down to Georgia, my son says, well, we'll go down Saturday or Sunday, ride down to Daytona. But like I said, I kind of went down there to visit with the grandkids. Tough choice sometimes. You blame nobody but yourself for making the choices that you made. Thinking about spring coming, we get to make the choice that we ride or we stay and take a vehicle or what. I must feel like Helen and sick today, but things like that. I put a few videos on, just watched them. My son likes Indian motorcycles. I'm kind of a Harley guy, kind of rides back and forwards, but we've always said it doesn't matter what you ride, as long as you know how to ride. It goes back to choices again. Some people like the crotch rockets and stuff like that. For us, it's not very comfortable to travel long distances that way. So we ride with them. I ride the Fat Boy. She rides the Street Glide. And son, he has Chieftain and Dark Horse. For every situation, it makes a difference. Just a beautiful day today. Gonna get up around 70-something degrees. Talking about maybe breaking a record today for March. Listen to the news before it took off. And this is one of the earliest days we reached, or yesterday was one of the earliest days we reached 70 degrees. The average time, I think he said, was March 14th is before we started seeing 70-degree weather. So, talking about some snow this weekend. So you got the